Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I want to tell you every nut on the bus, waiting for the bus. Had a woman smoking pot waiting for the bus, and she was so tweaked out it was unbelievable, almost. Then I had a guy get on the bus, having a nice conversation with these two people about Martinez. And this guy gets on the bus, and he goes, I don't give a damn about the deer. I don't care what they eat. And he gets off the bus, and you look like you ate a deer. Something like, geez, what is your problem? And the people on the bus couldn't believe it either. They were just, what is that guy's problem? I don't know. So anyway, all right, this is what I got from the store. Not much this time, but this is a haul video. Green giant potatoes, a 5-pound bag of potatoes, a bag of oranges. I don't know how you found this. What is this? 4 pounds. And what's weird, on the front it looks like oranges. On the back they look like grapefruits. So I don't understand what's going on with that. The lady at the post office gave me a loaf of this stuff, nuts and seed bread, marked down. I've never had it before. I'll try it, let you know if it's any good or not. And then I got sugar pops. I haven't had anything to eat all day. My dinners came, but I'm starving, so I'm sitting here eating sugar pops like an idiot. And then I got a box of waffles and Celeste pizza, which will be my dinner. And then Safeway had these on sale. 1, 2, 3. I think they go off sale tomorrow for 77 cents. I couldn't pass that up. And finally, it's getting harder and harder to find my Irish cream creamer. So I got the Almond Joy International Light Creamer. The creamer I bought, by the way, the box was broken and it had turned bad apparently. So I'm just going to throw it out. That's most of the French vanilla. I didn't like French vanilla anyway. That's second. All right, I filmed a bunch of videos, the remnants of what may or may not been a controlled burn here in Martinez that got out of control. It burned a telephone pole, and AT&T was there putting back the telephone pole. Got out of hand Saturday, and it was 75 acres, and some decoration videos. And I sent off the paperwork for Kathy because it's what you do, the right thing to do, so she can get her money back. So I sent that off to her, and a thing about my student loan to my congressman. So I will post those videos after I have a nap. All the kitties were fed. Mama cat, kitten, little girl, Fluffy and Fuzzy were inside. And Fuzzy this morning, the only thing I had left to eat other than popcorn was apples and a lot of coffee. I had cooked 3 gallons of coffee. So now I gotta go drink all that coffee. Or I don't know how coffee in containers will stay fresh in the icebox. And I made some noodles with the turkey gravy out of a packet. And I put them down to get my coffee, and Fuzzy comes over and starts eating my gravy. And I go, Fuzzy, what the hell are you doing? I said, get away from my food. And I tell her to get away from my food. She goes away for a minute. I go to get my coffee again, and she goes back and starts eating the gravy again. What am I going to do with that cat? I love her dearly, but she's so silly. She gets into everything. She's a little monkey and very, very curious. So anyway, I'll post it. I got decorations video, the fire video, and there's a new 99-cent store, or no, Dollar Tree store. Oddly, in the same parking, in the same shopping mini mall as a Big Lots. So I don't know, but they had some really nice decorations there for Christmas. All the Halloween stuff there was gone. The Big Lots had some Halloween stuff that's on sale, and I saw one thing I'd really like to get. It was marked down to 15 from 18. It would be perfect for this house. And So I will see what happens on Friday if it gets marked down further. And they had a bunch of them, so it won't be a matter if I go in there and they'll be all out of them. So that is what is going on. And Kathy knows that I'm really upset at her. So I talked to her for a moment this morning to tell her I was mailing the paperwork because I would like to see her get her $362 back. So, all right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Oh, by the way, for the first time all week, the air was clear here. I was not gasping for air, choking. My nose wasn't running until I went into Food Maxx. Food Maxx had the air conditioning cranked up so high, I started having to blow my nose. My nose was running. I was coughing and sneezing. It was crazy in the store. So, and I'm shocked. I need cayenne pepper for the experiment I'm going to do, and it's like $4 there. I went to Safeway. It's $7, and they were out of one brand. For the McCormick, it's $7 for a bottle of cayenne pepper. And I'm going like, what the hell is going on with the spice industry? It's so high. It can't just be the price of cost of living and gas, the raise in gas in California. I've never seen spices that high in my life. So I go to Food Maxx where it has been 50 cents. I will do that on Friday. All right. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. Stay cool if you can. Stay safe. And another fire broke out this morning in Simi Valley near the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library, and it actually surrounded the library, and they fought it down and kept the library from catching on fire. So that happened at 9 o'clock, and I could not film the fire that happened here in Martinez at 9 o'clock. Some homeless idiots were under the railroad trestle down by the Amtrak station and set fire to the trestle. And the Martinez police put a video on their Twitter feed. I put that in my George Senda, the Paranormal and News Forum, and you can see the plume of smoke. I'm using pale. It's plume. The plume of smoke. I apologize for that. Black smoke came up like crazy from underneath that, and the Contra Costa Fire District people put it out real fast. All right. That's it for now. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.